I-desire mo sa puso mo na si Lord ang mag-guide sa'yo.
Hey, how are you? Good day, matey. This is Destiny Des once again, and in today's video I'm back for a while because I haven't uploaded for so long. And in this video you can see that I'm painting. This is a painting for one of my followers on TikTok that found me, and then he requested to paint a 3 butterfly with, I just requested a 3 butterfly, but I just added the portrait so it will represent the femininity. I decided to paint a woman with the garden where the butterflies are drawn into, and honestly I recorded this audio before going to work, but now it was 4 o'clock 4:44, and today is 11:11. It's November 11th of 2024. So I've decided to put some additional character on the painting, but than just doing just the butterflies.
So I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. So in the afternoon,
Now I'm just adding some white paint onto the painting and just adding some character so it will look like fantasy / reality. And this painting is dedicated to her 3 lovely daughters.
Very good.
Yeah? And yours? You did that?
Yeah, just this morning.
Fuck off!
What?
You did not paint that this morning.
Yes, I did.
You did not paint that this morning.
I did.
I don't believe you.
You drew the pineapple.
My pineapple is shit!
Well, it just needs a bit of shading.
Oh, shut up.
you know it wasn't all that. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. 잊고 올해는 가도 내년엔 약속인지 원망인지.
When I got home, I went straight away to my art studio / bedroom, and then I started practicing to do a portrait so I could be more good at it. And I'm trying to mix and match the colors of the skin tone, which is really hard to do because I didn't have any background or education on painting or art stuffs. But I'm trying my best to do Google video, and then I just really love to do art. It makes me happy, it makes me alive, and that feeling no one can take it away from me. And every time I do it, it just release some stress out of my body. And so it's another day. It's Tuesday. I gotta go to school, but then when I went there, the instructor told me that I'm not one of his class. So I fixed what happened and waited for my new timetable, and then I just look around, roam around the city, and I went to this painting studio, or we all can say art store, and they have all the variety of painting that they could sell, but it's very expensive. If you look at on the price tag, it's I can't tell, but it's really expensive. And I just bought the cheapest one that I could choose. I just want to invest on brushes, the smallest brushes that they have for acrylic painting, because I wanted to do more detail painting. details. For acrylic.
Yeah, so these are the white bristle ones next to you. All of those are good for acrylic. So
Yeah, for portrait.
yeah, so these ones or these, like they come very fine. They're nice and they hold the shape well.
So this is for oil.
Yeah, you can use or acrylic, but they're just a little like this. They're more bristly, so that will be smoother.
Yeah, okay.
You know.
Yep, thank you.
That's alright.
So I just decided to bought 3 small brushes, from the smallest to tiniest to the extremely thinnest one, and then yeah, I decided to just continue roaming around in the city. And I don't know what street is this one, but this is also famous for tourists. And yeah, gotta keep walking. So I decided to wait for my classmates and continue walking around even if I'm not buying anything. And then suddenly I get too tired from walking and I decided to go to Melbourne Central just to kill the time and just, you know, did some sketching.
Dapat picnic-picnic ka dyan pala. Te, video pala to. Oh. I-endorse mo yung ano. I-endorse mo yung...
Pili na ikaw na maganda na selfie ka na.
Ay, ano hindi pala ako
May donut kami! Mga deprived yan sa food. Ito, kulang na lang mag-antukan tong dalawa.
Asam. Ay puta, mainit ah. Ay sana all.
Maganon na tayo dalawa par. Just...
I'm lucky that I met these people because on the past year I haven't been able to hang out with other classmates that I had in the past course, and it was unfortunate because I'm just spending my time by myself, going home, going to school, going to work, and like going out by myself. And then when I met them, my uni becomes more vibrant and lively and bubbly, and every time I'm with them we just keep laughing even though we have a lot of problems. So yeah, now we're just enjoying the beach, the scenery in front of us. I have been reflecting a lot lately about what I'm gonna do with my life and how I'm gonna do it, where I'm gonna go next. It's been tough lately and heavy at the same time because you have all this pressure to do the certain things at a certain age, but then I realized we have our own timeline and we shouldn't compare ourselves to anybody else. Karen's birthday is coming and I don't know what to give to her, and we've been friends since ages. No, not ages, but almost 5 years now. Probably almost 6 years if I'm not mistaken. And I just painted her dog. Her name is Coco. And I'm so excited for the party that is upcoming, and I'll just help her making her cake and cooking some food for the party.
Somebody pause on
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karen. Happy birthday to you.
I love how we have
Washing the gate, feeding the dog, washing the ceiling, feeding my pet mouse, feeding the parrot, mowing the lawn, cleaning the fridge, gardening, taking out the weeds. Is that gardening? Okay, you won. So 3 of you? Okay, you won, so you choose. Do you want to choose one? This one.
Oh my god, A.
Baby names beginning with A.
So just names beginning with A,
Yeah.
basically.
Go.
Anna. Alice. Alexander.
Let me. Go. Alex. Adam. Alex.
What happened? Are we gonna break
Yeah, we
it?
won.
Okay.
But calm down. Like, okay. You won.
I'll try.
Do you know what? There's a word that we say when someone gets super competitive, and it's called white line fever. White line fever. It's like when you cross the white line of a sports field, you turn into this like different person.
Like a beast.
This is you. Yeah.
In a good way.
After
The loading part. Vanilla. I think that it kicks in now.
No.
Mix.
so Corona.
Heineken.
Asahi.
Cargo. Course.
San Miguel.
Corona. No,
And you have to do a new one.
Heineken.
Oh, wait, this way. You have to do a new one.
New answer.
I don't know. Solera.
Hanoi.
Zonin.
Hennessy.
Tasoni.
Kas.
Jack Daniels.
I don't know, me too. Sprinkle water.
Moscato.
Kidding.
You cannot.
Then you guys are alcoholics, all of you. We need an alcoholic drink. I know he is becoming Catholic. Like he.
Now we understood how the game.
Okay, we won.
Yeah, with the cheese. Guys, help us out, bro. What the hell? It's me and Okay, my turn.
Yeah.
Lizards.
What's it?
I said oasis already.
Spider.
Centipede.
What?
They're not centipedes in that one.
Science.
No, I just said it.
Win. No, she didn't say win. When did she say win? No, she didn't.
I did. I'm being the
She said win and Wendy. Okay, another one. Oh my god. Okay, now Francesca, your one.
My turn.
Yeah. Okay, come on. Car parts, car pieces.
Furniture. Chair.
Table.
sofa.
This.
You break.
No one's breaking the game.
Lamps.
Bedside. Table.
Bed.
Wardrobe.
Sofa bed.
KitchenAid.
Washing machine.
Side table.
You already said it.
Freezer.
Aircon.
Freezer.
Microwave.
Fridge.
Freezer is not one.
Table.
Toaster.
Toaster.
Desk.
Hair fryer.
Water filter.
And you said a toaster.
I mean, they're women. They know better than us in this shit.
But this is actually moving clothes. It's disadvantageous.
It makes it more difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the point of the game.
So they can be cheating and.
So the more we win, the harder it becomes for us.
That's exactly the point.
So we get to.
Eventually you get ahead.
Easy, we get hard.